Sugar's going up. Sugar will poison you. Don't put it in your cup. Lay off the soda pop. Don't drink those colas. They'll eat away your molars, and the goodlies and the Twinkies will put you on the blinkies, passing by. Also the pie. Look on the sunny side, the sunny, honey, funny, bunny side. Look on the sunny side, gas is out of sight. Gasoline, it fouls the air and dims the heavenly light. The blossoms get the blight. You do much better biking it, streaking it, or hiking it. If an auto is required on the job on which you're hired, stay at home. Tell him you're tired. Look on the sunny side, the sunny, honey, funny, bunny side. Look on the sunny side, your old man left you flat. Your old man was a nuisance. He criticized your cat. He wore your favorite hat. When you felt like you were dying, he'd split and leave you crying. When you did not need him there, he'd be crawling in your hair, passing by. Also the pie. Look on the sunny side, the sunny, honey, funny, bunny side. It is nice to block the doorway. It is nice to go to jail. There are nicer ways to do it, but the nice ways always fail. It isn't nice, it isn't nice. You told us once, you told us twice, but if that is freedom's price, we don't mind. It isn't nice to carry banners, or to sit in on the floor, or to shout our cry of freedom at the hotel and the store. It isn't nice, it isn't nice. You told us once, you told us twice, but if that is freedom's price, we don't mind. We have tried negotiation and the three-man picket line. Mr. Charlie didn't see us, and he might as well be blind. Now our new ways aren't nice when we deal with men of ice, but if that is freedom's price, we don't mind. How about those years of lynching and the shot in Evers' back? Did you say it wasn't proper? Did you stand out on the track? You were quiet just like mice. Now you say we aren't nice. Well, if that is freedom's price, we don't mind. It isn't nice to block the doorway.